Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am going to cook stir fry pork belly. Here I have pork belly of 750 grams. First we will slice here, then cut into half. Let's slice the meat to 1-inch thick pieces. We will boil the meat with some spices. Let's put all the meat, a couple of star anise, cinnamon stick and ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, then we will boil for 20 minutes. Here are the ingredients we will use to fry: star anise, big green chillies, onions, some garlic cloves, capsicum, soy sauce, ginger garlic paste, cumin and coriander powder, green chillies. You can adjust the quantity of vegetable to your liking. Let's chop all the ingredients. First, take the capsicum. We will remove the seeds and chop them into large cubes. Then the large green chilies will chop in round. We will slit green chilies into half. After that, we will finely chop an onion for fry, 2 other onions into large pieces. Then we will separate the scales of onions. Meat has been boiled for 20 minutes. Let's take out the meat and strain the water. Then we will cut the meat into half. First, cut this into half. Then we will slice into half again. We will repeat for all the meat pieces. Now add 2 teaspoons of oil on hot pan. Then add star anise and cinnamon. Add chopped onions and saute for a few minutes. Now add ginger garlic paste. Saute for a couple of minutes. Then we will add chopped garlic and green chilies. Stir for a minute, then add pork pieces. We will stir fry for 5 minutes. Then we will add cumin and coriander powder. Again, we need to stir fry for around 2-3 minutes. Add salt to taste. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. Then add dark soy sauce. Again we will stir fry for a couple of minutes. Add red chili sauce. Stir fry for a few more minutes. Then we will add all the chopped vegetables, onions, green chillies and capsicum. We will stir fry for 5 more minutes and we can finish it. Here you can fry for more or less time according to how much you want to cook the vegetables. After 5 minutes, let's put off the heat. Stir fry pork belly is ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. It will motivate me to make more videos. Bye bye guys, see you on my next video.